Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the n integers as the input, then count the number of pairs, that is x and y, which satisfies the condition, that is where the count of 1 in binary representation of x is equal to the count of 1 in binary representation of y. So we have to accept n integers and count the number of pairs which satisfy the condition, that is the count of 1 in binary representation of x is equal to count of 1 in binary representation of y. So now we'll take our first test case. So here we have 5 integers. Now we'll find the pairs available. So 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 3 4, 3 5, 4 5. So these are the pairs that can be formed. So in this pair we have to check for our condition, that is the count of 1 in binary representation of x should be equal to the count of 1 in binary representation of y. So this will be true, and for this also it is true, that is the count of 1 in binary representation of x and y are equal. So when we check the pair 2, 4, here also it seems to be equal, and for the pair 3, 5 also it seems to be equal. So now we'll know how this pair satisfying our condition, that is here our x is 3, so the binary representation of 3 is 11, and the binary representation of 5, that is our y, is 101. So the count of 1 in the binary representation of 3 is 2, and the count of 1 in binary representation of 5 is also 2. So the count is equal, so it satisfies our condition. So now the count of pairs which satisfies our condition is 4, so it will be our output. Get clarifications for any program and clear your program errors effortlessly by using our Instagram page. Programming made simple here. We have mentioned our Insta ID in this video description. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the number of integers n. Then we'll get the integers using list. Then we'll have a variable called the pair count, which will be our final output. Pair count equal to 0. Then now we have to generate the pairs. So for that, for index in 1 in range 0 comma n minus 1, and for index 2 in range index 1 plus 1 comma n, and Now if the count ones of array index 1 equal to the count ones of array index 2, so if they are equal, count ones means we are going to just increment the pair count by 1 and print the pair count. So now let us define the function count ones. So the function count ones will have the number as the input, and it converts the num into binary and return the value. So return the bin of num. So it will be converted to binary value, and where we'll count the 1. So here it will be included in the format of string because bin will convert the number into string format. Now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.